Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing another vlog for you guys. It is actually Friday, which is so strange for me to be filming or even being home on a Friday, but unfortunately my whole entire day canceled at work today, so I went ahead and took the day to get some things done. My puppy dogs are at the groomers right now, and it is the first time that I have ever left my little one, Zoe. She's a little 7-pound black dog. I've never left her at the groomers before, so I am very interested to know how it is going, how she's doing. I'm excited to go and pick them up. I took them a couple hours ago, so I will probably go pick them up in another couple hours. It usually takes them around 4 hours. So they are getting all beautified today. They had their spa day, and I've just been running around doing some errands, getting things done here at home. I've been doing laundry, and I need to put my sheets in my room for my bed in the washer as well, because the dogs are going to be nice and clean. So I want all of our sheets to be clean. So I thought it would be fun to just pull out the camera and vlog for you guys and bring you guys along my day. I am going to head up to my filming room and start filming my cosmetology career update video. I already had this video filmed, but unfortunately I deleted the footage when I got my new MacBook, which, oh my gosh, you guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do so. It's just Molly Nicole XO. There has been some major drama with my MacBooks. I did get a new MacBook, and long story short, iMovie did not work whatsoever. Like, I tried to use it and nothing would work. It was very glitchy, and so I ended up sending it back and having them send me a brand new one. So I finally got the brand new one a couple days ago. It is in the back right there. I absolutely love it. It works, crossing my fingers that it continues to work, but I deleted the footage to my video in the meantime, unfortunately. So I have to re-film it. I do want to redo my living room back there as well. I'm going to be bringing down some pillows from upstairs because I still have my Christmas pillows on my couch, if you guys can believe it or not. I know, it's crazy. I've had all of my other Valentine's Day stuff up and all of my other Christmas stuff away, but I have not done my couch area. So we need to get that done today as well. I wanted to share with you guys some phone cases that I got in the mail as well, because they are so freaking cute, you guys. I am absolutely obsessed. I've seen them all over Instagram, all over Facebook. So many people have been posting about them. So I'm very excited to share them with you guys. They are from a company called Berga. They did send over 3 of their cases. So they have 2 different types of cases on their website. So they either have the snap case or the tough case. They sent me 2 of the tough cases and 1 snap case. The tough case obviously is just going to be more protective for your phone. So the first one that they sent me, it just looks like this. It is absolutely stunning. I love it so, so much. It's black and has like blue and pink on it, as you can see. They did also send me another tough phone case as well, and it just looks like this. So it's white. I think this one is absolutely adorable. So as you can see on these phone cases, the tough ones have a lot more protection on the sides. It kind of has a lip that comes on top of your phone. It has an extra insulation there and everything. And then they did send me one of their snap cases, which honestly is my favorite case ever. I love the color so much. So it just looks like this. It's like a really pretty emerald marble coloring. And as you can see, it's a lot thinner than the other one. So there's still gonna be a decent amount of protection. It's just not gonna be as much as the tough cases. I will kind of put these together so you can see the difference between the 2. So I will go ahead and leave my link in the description box down below. So I think the first thing that I'm gonna do now that I'm back home from running some errands is I'm gonna go strip my bed in my room and get all of the sheets into the wash so that can be going, and then I'm going to head upstairs and get filming, and then we'll probably do my living room area because that definitely needs to be done. this is what I decided to go with. Nothing's really changed on the coffee table. I just got rid of my Christmas tree that I had here. I put my Ray Dunn clock right there with my Rose Forever roses, which are still looking super beautiful. I will leave a link if you guys are interested in the description box. The pillows are pretty much the same that I've had for a while. I got this one and that one from Kirkland's, and these from Marshall's or TJ Maxx, I believe. The other pillows over here, the cute little heart pillows, are from Target. This one is from the Dollar Spot last year, and then this one I think I got like probably 2 or 3 years ago at least. They have similar ones out because I just went today and I saw them. I don't know how I feel about this little corner, but I decided to throw some pink and red in. The pinks definitely don't really go, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that yet. I will see, depending. My throw is from TJ Maxx. I got it on sale probably 2 years ago. It was really, really affordable, and it's really soft, and I absolutely love it. I love having a throw on my couch at all times. I did change this sign as well from Christmas time, so I have the locally grown flowers, produce, and honey. So that's what that little area looks like. And I'm going to redo this area. I'm gonna grab this pillow, which is also from the Dollar Spot. I have not taken the tag off yet. This was from last year though. I'm just going to replace the home pillow and put the love pillow there. So this is what that little corner looks like. I just have some throws in this little magnolia basket that I absolutely love. You can find it at Home Goods or TJ Maxx. I have one of these little frilly blankets just kind of hanging out of it. And then I have the blanket ladder, which I don't use for blankets anymore since I have my magnolia basket, but I just put this little Ray Dunn sign here because I have nowhere else to put it. And then I just put some flowers right there. I don't know. You guys will have to let me know what you think. I kind of want to do something a little different still, but kind of a little overview of my living room. Still need to put a bunch of stuff away, but I definitely think it looks a lot better than it did, and it is clean and hair-free for about 5 seconds until my cat or my dogs sit on it. So this is kind of a tip that is a little bit gross, but if you guys own dogs or cats or any animal that has fur and it gets all over your blankets and stuff, I recommend throwing your blankets, sheets, comforter, anything like that in the dryer first. And as you can see, a lot of the hair comes off. Sorry, it just got loud. The washer is starting. But a lot of the hair and all that crap comes out. So I always do this first, because you can get a lot of the hair off instead of putting it straight in the washer and then, you know, all the hair still being on it. So that's just a little tip for you guys. My mom told me that like years ago, and it has been a lifesaver for me. So since my doggies are getting groomed, I'm going to comb my cat, which you guys will absolutely be amazed if she actually lets me comb her, how much fur comes off of her. All right, so we have got the cat, and she is not very happy with me, to say the least, but we're gonna see how much we can get off. I need to do this more regularly, but she kind of hates me when I do it, so I don't like to do it too often. But this girl can literally, I could sit here for hours and hair would just keep coming. Like, it's been maybe 30 seconds and the comb is already completely full. You guys see that? One down. I try to get at least like 4 or 5 when I comb her, just because her fur is probably the worst. I feel like cat hair in general is just not the greatest, but I try to love on her and rub her while I do this. If you guys have cats, let me know if they like getting brushed or not. Yes, you want a treat after this? I'll give you a treat. A lot of you guys don't even know that I have a cat, but this is my cat. Her name is Jimmy Choo. She says hello. I am very angry right now. But she is 8 years old. Huh, you an old lady, huh? You an old lady. Yeah. All right, let me just show you guys. That was like, I don't know, let me look at the timestamp. That was 4 minutes of doing this, and look at this, you guys. That's like less than 4 minutes, and that's all that came off of her. And I could literally do that weekly, and it would still do that. That's absolutely disgusting.
I was just calling to let you know that Lola and Zoe are all done and ready to go home whenever you can come get them. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.
All right, the babies are ready to be picked up, so I'm going to jump in the car. I've pretty much gotten everything that I want to get done before I went and pick them up. So I'm very excited and happy about that. I have pretty much finished the whole living room area. I've cleaned some, done a ton of laundry, got filming done. It has been a very productive day, so I'm very, very happy with myself. Let's go get the babies and see what they look like. All right, we are back home with the puppy dogs. They look so cute. Look at you all cleaned up. All the ears cleaned up now. She got a little scarf on too. Can we show your scarf? Where'd it go? There we go. She's all ready for Valentine's Day. Look how fluffy her little tail is. And this little one, how are you doing? Did you have a good experience, Zoe? You look so pretty. Yes, you do. Why didn't you get a scarf? Huh? You don't know? I wanted to show you guys this little tripod that I used from Amazon a ton. You can make it really tall. As you can see, there's 3 different adjustments there. This is how I take all of my Instagram pictures. It comes with a little Bluetooth remote, as you can see right there. You just set it up and take your pictures. I don't like to rely on anyone to take my pictures for me, so this is a complete lifesaver. So if you guys are interested, I will leave it linked in the description box as well. All right, you guys, I'm going to close out the vlog here. I am waiting for my parents to pick me up. We're gonna go to dinner tonight. I am watching Meg's vlog with bringing her little baby Caden home and introducing him to Gray, their cute little dog. So cute. I have been watching Meg for so long, like literally 10 years. It's been absolutely crazy. She was definitely one of the ones that inspired me to make my own YouTube channel, so it's so awesome to see her kind of in this new chapter of her life with her new little baby boy. He is absolutely beautiful. I am absolutely in love with him. So I'm gonna go ahead and go and finish watching this, and then we're gonna head out to dinner. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little random vlog today. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel down below if you are not already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.